Hindi ito showbiz. Let's talk about real life. With all my heart, I tell you this. Success is all about having the right partner. Friends, I recommend to you I Am Worldwide Partnerships. It's established by my friends AM and Aika, and together with Anna, their partnership has made I Am Worldwide one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic companies. You ask, what's their winning formula? I Am Worldwide has a unique one-account policy. Just one single account that you nurture and grow. Dito sa atin, isa lang. Meron din tayong kakaibang bonus programs to Just For You and Give Me 5. Bawi ng puhunan mo, may dagdag kita pa. Dito lang yan sa I Am Worldwide. Built on the powerful idea of great partnerships and innovative products. Marami nang umasenso with I Am Worldwide. So many have enjoyed free travel, free cars, free house and lots, and that's on top of the commissions they earn. Amazing? Tayo lang ang may ganyan. And most importantly, with the Lord's guidance, we'd be able to help others and our loved ones. With I Am Worldwide, it's partnership and prosperity for a higher purpose. It's time to think big. Think I Am Worldwide as your partner. We'll help you find your purpose and realize your potential. Your one amazing chance is here. Give it your best shot.
I am Maritoni Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water.
Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too.
One of three factors also is this organic property was a dairy farm before we started growing our certified crops here. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
No pesticides, no chemicals, none of that stuff goes into this land. From the time it's grown, all the way up until packing the barley powder and shipping it to us in the Philippines, no chemicals ever touches it. Nutri-Green Australia is actually the only organic barley farm in the whole of Australia. And I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutri-Green barley.
I look good, feel good, and have unlimited energy all day. And you can too, with amazing pure organic barley.
I am amazing with acai berry extract with collagen and Bacopa Manieri. I'm Heart of Angelista, and I am worldwide.
Amazing coffee and Cafe New York. I am Isko Moreno, and I am worldwide.
Hi, I'm Manny Pacquiao, and I am worldwide.
And we also have
Safe
our
synthetics are
skincare.
okay. Natural is better. But organic is the best. Your face deserves the best. I Am Worldwide Corporation presents Awesome Organic.
Let me share to you about today's reality. Ito yung isang bagay na ayaw na rin mangyari ni I Am Worldwide. So it's a cycle among us na hindi natin napapansin. So many people spend their health gaining wealth, and then they have to spend their wealth to regain their health. It's a cycle. When we were younger, nakadepend tayo financially sa family natin, sa parents natin. We were young, of course, meron tayong good health. And then yung time natin, wala pa masyadong pinagkakaabalahan kung hindi school. And then kapag ka nag-start na mag-work, doon na, lahat ng time natin nakafocus sa pagkita ng pera. Diba? Na sometimes or most of the time, nasa-sacrifice natin yung good health condition. Pero kailangan yun para kumita tayo and mabuhay tayo. But the question is here is that, when do we stop working? We stop working not because we don't need the money, but because hindi na kaya ng katawan natin most of the time. So, ang masakit kasi dito, we worked for 40 years of our lives para mabuhay yung mga anak natin, and then we have to retire at the age of 60. Okay lang sana kung may naipon. Okay lang sana kung tumigil may naipon tapos in good health condition. But nowadays, bumababa yung rate. At the age of 40 pa lang, naglalabasan na yung mga sakit. So at the age of 40 pa lang, nasa-sacrifice na yung katawan natin. 'Di ba? So, yung mga kinita natin while we are working, napupunta saan? Sa maintenance, di ba? So, what if ito yung scenario? Nakaramihan ngayon na ganito yung nangyayari. Yung scenario na nag-work ka, and then after nun, wala kang good health condition, ibig sabihin naglalabasan yung mga sakit mo, tapos yung masaklap, wala ka ng oras para magtrabaho dahil hindi na kaya ng katawan mo, tapos wala ka pang naipon. So, paano kung dumating sa point na when you are in your 40s, 50s, lumalabas na yung mga sakit, tapos wala ka pa rin ipon? Ang nangyayari sa generation natin is that pinapasa sa anak. So, ito yung cycle na ayaw na natin mangyari. Yung kakatrabaho natin, nasa-sacrifice yung good health natin, hindi naman enough para sa retirement natin yung kinikita natin. It's just enough for us to live day by day. So, ito yung ayaw natin mangyari. So, if there's an opportunity for us na you get to earn while you are younger, and then at the same time, earn bigger than the usual while we were younger, bakit hindi? Diba? Kasi the best person to take care of yourself when you get older is not your wife, of course, not your parents, not your husband, not your kids, but you when you were younger. So, ibig sabihin, habang malakas pa tayo, kailangan nag-iimpok or gumagawa na tayo ng way para pagtanda natin, hindi maglalabasan yung mga sakit, para pagtanda natin, meron tayong makukuha, diba? So, yun yung mission ni I Am Worldwide, na hindi dumating sa point na matanda na tayo, wala na tayong pera, wala pa tayong oras, pati yung good health natin, wala pa. Okay? So, first thing, health. It's health that is real wealth, according to Mahatma Gandhi. Do you believe in that? Diba? Totoo naman. So, for example, ito si Miss Maritoni Fernandez. She was diagnosed with cancer at the year of 2001. And then, dun niya na-realize na very important yung health niya. Why? Kasi meron siyang isang anak na bata pa lang. So, ayaw niyang mawala sa mundo, definitely, diba? Na iiwan niya yung anak niya. So, what she did was, ni-research niya ano ba yung pwede niyang intake para tumaas yung immune system niya. Ano ba yung pwede niyang intake para matulungan yung katawan niya to regain her strength again. So, yung lumabas sa research niya is barley. And according to a scientist named Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, ni-research niya yung barley. Meron daw yung barley 68 micronutrients. So, with 68 micronutrients, ito na yung mga hindi natin nakukuha on a day-to-day basis sa mga kinakain natin. Kasi, for example, kakain tayo sa fast food, definitely walang nutrients. Kung kakain man tayo sa bahay ng gulay, not sufficient para dun sa kailangan natin everyday, and lalo na pagka niluto mo yung gulay, nawawala na yung nutrients. So, for example, ang orange, pag kumain ka ng orange, di ba may vitamin C. Si barley, mas potent siya, 7 times mas potent siya compared to a regular na orange. Ngayon, ang orange, para ma-absorb ng katawan mo yung vitamin C na kailangan dyan, hindi isang pirasong orange yung kailangan mo kainin, madami. Hindi naman tayo nakakain ng ganun. Kaya iba, di ba, kumiinom na lang ng mga tablets, di ba? So, maganda kay barley, 100% organic. So, for example, ito, athlete, basketball player, si Mr. Terence Romeo, kailangan niya talaga maging malakas yung katawan niya kasi yung katawan niya, yung puhunan niya, para kumita siya, athlete siya. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagkasakit siya, hindi siya magkakaroon ng chance makapaglaro. So, pag di siya nakapaglaro, automatic, wala siyang income. Same thing with Mr. Piolo Pascual, katawan niya yung puhunan niya. So, pag nagkasakit siya, nagkaroon siya ng mga illness, mawawalan siya ng mga trabaho. 'Di ba? So, same thing sa atin. Kung OFW tayo, katawan din natin yung puhunan natin. Kung nagtatrabaho tayo, katawan natin yung puhunan natin. 'Di ba? Kaya si I Am Worldwide, ang pinopromote niya sa simula talaga is good health, hope. Pero again, hope stands for health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. So here in I Am Worldwide, you will have a chance na habang malakas ka, alagaan mo yung health mo. At the same time, we will provide a compensation plan for you that has an opportunity for you to earn more than the usual. Okay, so later on, natin yung i-discuss. So aside from them, we also have Yorme, Isko Moreno Dumagoso. So maraming tao, part na ng buhay nila ang kape, diba? Yung iba hindi makapag-start magtrabaho or ng araw nila nang walang kape. Pero ano ba yung nutrients na nakukuha natin with coffee? So si I Am Worldwide, ang ginawa niya, yung coffee, nilagyan niya ng barley. Maraming tao sinisikmura because of coffee sa umaga walang laman ng tiyan. So yung sa atin, yung coffee natin, nilagyan natin ng barley at the same time alkaline base. So hindi siya acidic. And then, meron din for kids na ayaw kumain ng mga gulay, diba? So saan kukuha ng nutrients? So ito, instead na yung mga ibang known brands na chemical, yung sa atin, organic, choco naman siya with barley. Yan. So, ito din, meron tayo, if you know someone na hirap magpapayat or if you are someone na gusto mong ma-retain yung figure mo. So, Garcinia Cambodia is known naman sa Garcinia Cambodia is known as an appetite suppressant. And here are some of the testimonials. 45 days and meron dito ay 60-day challenge. Hindi nila kailangan mag-gym. It's a natural appetite suppressant. So, ito pa ibang mga products natin. You may ask the person who sent this video to you about more information about our products. And we also have Miss Christine Hermosa Soto for our skincare naman. So, for example, nag-lotion ka, naligo ka, gumamit ka ng sabon, it's all chemicals. And yung skin natin, wala siyang filter. Ibig sabihin ko, ang ilagay mo dyan, automatic na absorb ng skin, and then, mapupunta sa veins natin, lalo na sa mga kababaihan, mga makeup, diba, na absorb yung skin natin. So, ito, maganda dito sa skincare natin, 101% organic siya. So, syempre, kung finifeed natin yung stomach natin, gusto natin malinis, organic, gusto natin walang chemicals, definitely yung, lalo na yung skin natin, gusto rin natin walang chemicals, walang kahit anong synthetic. Okay? Ayan. So, ito, pinagsabay niya yung barley at saka yung awesome natin na face cream. So, iba, may toner, tapos creams, night cream, day cream, ito all-in-one na lang. Okay? And then, of course, si Ms. Liza Soberano, sa buong mundo, kilala siya. One of the most beautiful faces in the whole world. So, how does she takes care of herself? With her acai berry extract, with collagen and Bacopa monnieri. So, collagen, hindi na pinoproduce to ng katawan natin. 'Di ba? At the age of 21 years old, stop na yan. So, collagen, important yan for muscles, for skin.
That's good.
And then, yung company natin, we are very well promoted kahit saan ka pumunta. Pag nanood ka sa TV, makikita mo siya. Everyday, pinopromote tayo sa Eat Bulaga. And then, pag nadaan ka ng EDSA, sa mga bus, sa mga highway, makikita mo rin puro I Am Worldwide. So, ano ba yung advantage nito? How does it benefit us? So, basically, if you are a business owner, you want your business to be endorsed by someone na kilala. You want your business to be endorsed by someone na credible. So, in order for you to have that, you need to pay millions. If you want your business to be advertised sa billboard, sa EDSA, you need to pay millions. If you're familiar with such brands na mga fast food na mga kilala na sila pero nag-a-advertise pa rin sila sa EDSA. May mga billboards pa rin sila. 'Di ba? So, tayo, para mas matulungan tayo ng kumpanya, sila na yung nagbayad ng millions and then they're looking for business partners to further advertise or to further promote the products. 'Di ba? Pero with the help of this endorser, so hindi na question kung kikita ka dito sa I Am Worldwide kasi lahat provided na. Pero hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng millions, 'di ba? So it benefits us all na hindi na natin kailangan, imagine na nagnegosyo ka, nag-start ka mag-business, pero hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng milyon. Yung endorsers natin, hindi basta-basta, worldwide, class. For example, Miss Heart Evangelista Escudero, she endorses Chanel. In Paris, in Europe, she has her own billboard. So imagine that kind of person who endorses your business. And then aside from her, we have Yorme. Yorme na ang pinaka-trending na mayor ngayon dahil sa ganda ng trabaho niya sa bansa natin. And pinopromote niya si I Am Worldwide. And then ito, si Senator Manny Pacquiao. Senator Manny Pacquiao, kilala sa industry ng boxing as a legend. And then, dito sa Philippines, senador. So isang senador, pinopromote yung negosyo mo. 'Di ba? Kaya nga sabi natin, success is having the right partner. So if you partnered with I Am Worldwide sa negosyo mo, mag-start ka ng negosyo mo with I Am Worldwide, sure, matutulungan kang maging successful. Legalities natin, available to lahat sa office natin. FDA approved lahat ng products, halal approved lahat ng products, registered, BFAD approved lahat.
Ano ba tong opportunity na to? Ano na ba yung mga nagawa nito? With or without pandemic, ang dami na pong umasenso. Iba't iba po ng background. So ito po, like for example, ito ay taken nung mga gitna ng June or first week of June. So itong mga taong to ay merong iba't ibang backgrounds at iba't ibang trabaho before. Pero dahil sinulusyonan nila na kumita sa gitna ng pandemic, ayan, inaral nila kung paano gawin yung I Am Worldwide. Ayan po, booming po ang business nila. Habang ang iba nagsasara, habang ang iba nag-iiyakin dahil wala ng trabaho, ito pong mga tao na to, bilis pong nakapag-move on, nakapag-cope up. 'Di ba? Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Change is the only constant. Change is the only thing that's constant in this world. So kapag mabilis kang mag-adapt sa change, mabilis kang maka-cope up, mas mabilis din yung success mo. So paano ba yan? Okay, 5 simple steps lang po. Very simple lang. Avail, use, share, learn, earn. Simple. Simple 5 steps. Siyempre po, kailangan maging part ka po ng kumpanya. So you have to avail. And then you have to use the products kasi we promote health. And then very simple lang po. Share mo lang siya. If you're using Facebook, if you're already using YouTube, if you're already using Instagram, you can use that para po sa negosyo mo. And of course, we will teach you kung paano yun. Step by step. And tsaka ka po kikita. Ano po ang benefits mo? 100% worth of products, lifetime discount up to 50% sa world-class products natin. Online business tracking account, 24/7, world-class trainings. And world-class trainings, the person or the people who will train you actually earns millions. And marketing, okay, yan yung masarap po, yung mga incentive, yung mga pinapakita ko po sa inyo kanina. And of course, the prosperity program that we're in. So you need to plug yourself in dito muna. So how much yung capital natin? Okay, so again, hindi mo kailangan ng million, pero yes, may capital po. Marami kami nakakausap na napakaganda po ng I Am Worldwide. Ang problema po yung kapital. Hindi po namin kayang maglabas ng kapital. Sa lahat po ng bagay, bago ka po kumita, kailangan mo po muna ng kapital. Example po, gusto mo pong mag-OFW dahil maganda ang kita before sa abroad. Kailangan po muna ng placement fee. Ang dami po pong kailangan. Ginagawa mo po ng paraan kasi alam mo po nakikita ka. Bago ka po makapag-apply ng trabaho, nag-aral ka po muna ng kolehiyo. Bakit? Kasi alam mo na mas maganda yung opportunity na nag-aantay sa'yo kapag nakagraduate ka ng college. Mas marami ka ma-applyan. Diba? At pag may specialty ka. So, nung nag-aral ka po, nagbayad ka po ng tuition. Hindi ka po nanghingi muna ng sweldo bago yung tuition. 'Di ba? Nagtayo ka ng negosyo, kahit anong negosyo pa yan, nauna rin yung puhunan bago yung income. Okay?
To, ano ba yung mga investment natin? Meron tayong gold 44.8, platinum 112, jade 198. Ganito siya, negosyo siya. So, ibig sabihin, pagka negosyo, mamumuhunan ka. Hindi pwede na gusto mo makuha yung income pero hindi ka mamumuhunan. Okay? Ang maganda naman dito, 100% nang babalik sa'yo as products. Yung products natin, world-class naman yung products natin. So, wag mong isipin kung paano mo ibibenta. Why? Kasi kami, we suggest you use it. Diba, yun nga yung pinag-usapan natin nung simula, diba? You have to take care of yourself. So, gamitin mo yung products. Parents mo, bigyan mo ng barley, diba? Kapatid mo, bigyan mo ng barley. Or, i-share mo rin tong opportunity sa kanila. Ngayon, kung hindi mo kaya, wala dito. Yung kaya mo, na i-invest, pero gusto mong mag-join, sabihin mo lang. Straight to the point, dun sa nagbigay sa'yo ng video. Sabihin mo, gusto ko sanang mag-join, kaya lang hindi ko kaya yung kapital. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung baka may maitulong siya sa'yo kung paano ka makakapagsimula. Ngayon naman, We discussed these three packages because these three packages are the best. Why? Because it has just for you program. And at the same time, for long-term purposes, ito talaga yung pinakamaganda, yung tatlong package na to. Okay? So, again, as I've said before, 100% babalik na sa atin as product. So now, how do we start earning? So, there are 10 ways of earning with I Am Worldwide, but I'm not going to explain everything. Medyo matagal siya. Yung mga basic lang. So, kailangan ba dito magaling ako magbenta-benta? Yan normally yung tanong. So, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling magbenta-benta, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling magsalita. Kailangan mo lang na maniwala sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Kailangan mo lang na sa simula, wag puro duda yung pairalin mo. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga, iba't iba ng mga background yung mga nagjo-join dito. Pero yung result na nakukuha is nagiging successful, kumikita. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, paano nagsimula na kumita sila, the first step is believe in yourself and then avail a package. And then, step by step yun will be there to help you. Okay? Maaaral mo unti-unti yan. For example, ito, retailing. So, upon joining, you will have 50% off with all the products. So, provided that we are seen on TV, we are seen sa EDSA, kahit sa magazines nakikita si I Am Worldwide, automatic na yung tao na nagtatanong about the products. So, pag tinuruan namin kayo ng online marketing kung paano gagawin and even sa mga warm market natin, it's easy for you to earn. Why? For example, if you know someone who is sick, if you know someone who doesn't want to be sick, if you know someone who wants to be healthy, if you know someone who wants to have a good skin, and so on. We will teach you to share kung paano i-share si I Am Worldwide. And for every product purchase na kinukuha nila, you'll have 50% earnings. So for example, sa barley, SRP natin is 1,000. Since member ka na, 50 off. For example, meron kang kakilala na sakitin, sipunin, na ulanan, na whatever, binili nga isang box ng barley, may 500 ka agad. Kung isipin mo, yung mga nagtatrabaho for 8 hours na mga minimum rate employees, ang income nila is the same, 500. Pero here in barley, you don't need to spend 8 hours of your day. And what if ang kinuha 2 to 3 boxes? Kasi normally wala namang kumukuha ng isang box kasi wala namang effect right away kung isang box lang, 'di ba? Yung sakit, hindi naman yan nakukuha dahil isang beses uminom ka ng soft drinks. Hindi naman yan nakukuha dahil isang beses nagpuyat ka, accumulative, 'di ba? So, let's say kumuha sa'yo 3 boxes. That's already 1,500. What if 5 people yung kumuha sa'yo ng barley na 3 boxes? So, more than 10,000 na. What if that happened only in a day? So, you earn 10,000 in a day. Dito pa lang yun. Okay? So, yan yung sample natin. So, with Acai Berry, kung may mga kilala ka, gusto magpaganda, ang dami yan, diba? Gusto yung skin glowing, diba? So, gusto ng memory enhancer. So, Acai Berry, automatic may 700 ka. So, aside from that, ito naman, dito talaga kami naka-focused. Okay? Prosperity. Again, lahat na aaral. So, don't worry. Tuturo namin to sa'yo. So, sa prosperity program, ito yung, kumbaga, pag-shinare mo yung business. So, whole package yung kinuha nila. So, sila din nag-member sa I Am Worldwide. Ito yung commissions. Kung mapapansin mo, the higher the package, the higher the income. The lower the package, definitely, hanggang dun lang yung income, okay? Paano to? Diba sabi nga natin, refer ka 2 to 4 ng kakilala mo, diba? So, ito, isa na lang i-discuss natin. For example, you are a gold package. That's 44,800. And then, you were able to refer 2 persons. We practice 1 account policy. Bawal lang 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 7 accounts. So, yun yung maganda doon. 1 account investment lang. Diba? Hindi ka namin pipilitin na bumili ng packages all over again. Sa atin, 1 account lang. Kaya nga, yung maganda nun, isang beses ka lang mag-i-invest, pero ang earnings lifetime. So, automatically, once you are a part of I Am Worldwide, you'll have your left and right group. And then, sabi nga natin, refer ka lang. Ayan. So, ito naman, sales match commission. Sa sales match commission, di ba sabi, avail refer. Refer, very simple lang naman yun eh. Ginagawa na natin lagi. I-share lang natin yung opportunity kung sinong gusto ng additional income, ng negosyo, or sinong gusto maging healthy, i-share lang natin. Ngayon, hindi naman agad ikaw mag-explain. Meron namang mga business presentations na nag-explain para sa'yo, and at the same time, itong video na to, pwede mo rin ipapanood sa kanila, diba? So, madali lang talaga siya. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is mahanap mo lang din yung mga tao na katulad mo na maging interesado din, okay? So, natural na merong mga hindi interesado, pero normal naman yun. Diba? Kailangan lang natin paintindi sa kanila. Once naintindihan kasi nila na sila mismo, maganda yung benefits na makukuha nila dun sa products, and at the same time, isi-share lang naman nila bakit hindi nila i-go. Ang tao naman, basta maintindihan niya kung saan mapupunta yung pera niya, go siya. Okay? So, for example, ito, meron kang na-refer, isa sa left, tapos meron ka rin na-refer, isa sa right. So, ang referral fee pagka gold, 3,500. Ngayon, pag mag-pair yan, 3,000. Okay? Tapos, ito rin, turuan din natin na mag-refer isa sa left, isa sa right, siya din yung makapag-refer. Ayan ha. Ito, referral niya to. Ito, referral niya to. Meron kang 3,000. Hindi na ikaw nag-refer niyan. Ano ibig sabihin? Kay sales match commission pala, basta meron pumapasok under ng organization mo sa left at saka sa right, nagpe-pair ka. May 3,000 ka ng may 3,000. Okay? Paano ito? Wala pang pair. Okay lang. Waiting lang yan dyan. So, kapag ka gold, 3,000. Pagka platinum, 8. Pagka jade, 10. Yan. Ito naman, infinity commission. Infinity commission, earn from the first 2 direct referrals from your 3rd referral onwards. Paano naman to? For example, ikaw to, meron ka ng 2 referral. Ngayon, may pangatlo kang referral. Ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang benefit ng one account policy. Why? Kasi, pangatlo mo tong referral, A and B lang tayo. Hindi pwedeng nakadikit sa yan. So, ito, spilled over mo na siya. So, yung girl, hindi niya naman kilala to, pero dahil one account policy lang tayo, automatic under na ng organization niya. 'Di ba? So, waiting niya na yan to be paired. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin infinity, yung 3rd referral mo, tinulungan lang natin na makapag-refer din. Meron kang income. Yes. Yan, 'di ba? So, kahit isang side, 'di ba? Kasi paano kung isang side lang, may income pa rin ba ako? Ang income mo po pala, by the way, ay depende sa package mo. Okay? So, kung ang package mo ay gold at ang pumapasok under ng organization mo ay platinum, hindi mo makukuha yung 2,000. 1,000 lang yung makukuha mo. Okay? Pagka jade, 3,000. Pero dahil gold ka, 1,000 lang. So, ito naman, meron kang pang-4 na referral, same thing. Pagka sila din nagkaroon ng referral, first 2 onwards, meron ka ulit income. So, kahit isang side lang, kumikita ka. Sa'yo lahat yon. Tapos, makikita pa ng system na meron kang left and right na packages. So, nagpe-pair pa siya. Yes. And then, we also have check match commission. Check match commission depends din sa package mo. Okay? So, for example, ang account mo gold, ang package mo ng check match, 8%. Ano ba to? Example, itong 4 na to, yung referral mo. Ngayon, kumikita sila sa pairing. Let's say, ito, nagpa 5,000 per week, 8% nun, 400. So, after 6 months, let's say, naka-platinum ka na. Yung platinum din, kumita siya ng 100,000 sa pairing. Pag naka-platinum ka na, 10% na. Pag gold ka pa din, 8,000 lang or 8%. Okay? Applicable to, walang levels. Applicable to sa lahat ng mare-refer mo. Basta ikaw yung direct na nag-refer at kumikita to, meron tong pairing. Meron kang percentage doon. Okay? So, ito halimbawa, nasa sales ka, condo, ikaw yung manager. Pagka ikaw yung manager, meron kang agents, meron kang percentage sa benta nila. Diba? Pero, ang meron lang nun, yung privilege na yon, yung mga managers. Sa IM Worldwide, hindi mo kailangan maging manager. Basta nag-member ka, automatic meron kang check match commission sa mga referrals mo. Okay? Yan. Ito yung pinaka-hinihintay ng lahat. Why? Kasi sa Just For You bonus natin, even 18 years old kumikita ng 100,000 pesos. Even 18 years old nagto 200,000 pesos in 1 week. Paano ba to? It's very simple. Basta sundin mo lang yung avail, refer, and earn. Okay? So, applicable lang to kay gold, plat, jade. Paano ba to? Sabi ng company, basta naka-gold plat jade ka at nakapag-refer ka rin ng 4, without time frame to kahit gaano katagal mo siya ma-refer. For example, yan yung account mo, nakapag-refer ka ng 4, diba? Recap lang natin. That's your income. That's 20,000 pesos. Yung na-refer mong 4, let's say, in 6 months, matagal yun, diba? Nag-invest ka ng 44,800, bumalik sa'yo 100% of products, plus nag-just for you ka, total income mo, 60,000. Binalik sa'yo ng company yung puhunan mo. Yes, kapag ka nag-just for you ka, ibabalik sa'yo ng company yung puhunan mo. No time frame and unlimited. Ibig sabihin ng unlimited, guys, paulit-ulit magsawa ka sa just for you. Okay? Yan. Pagka naman platinum, syempre, mas malaki ang puhunan mo, mas malaki ang just for you mo. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung mga samples na mga nag-just for you na natin. Actually, sobrang dami na hindi lang natin pwede ilagay lahat sa presentation. Aside from that, last na to, we also have our Unilevel. Unilevel naman, this is very simple. Rebates. Wise consumerism. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nito, be wise on consumer, ibig sabihin nun, be wise kasi you're consuming products pero you don't get paid from consuming that product and you also don't get paid sharing that product. But in I Am Worldwide, use that product, share that product, and get paid. Okay? So, paano to? Ikaw mismo, kailangan, syempre, user ka. Example, change brand ka lang sa mga products. Kape, ano ka na lang, yung latte natin, healthy pa, diba? Vitamins, imbes na yung synthetic, barley na lang. Super safe and 100% organic. Tapos parang juice lang, 'di ba? Kung may mga nilalagay ka sa face mo or skin mo, yung sa atin na lang na awesome, organic pa. So once na consumer ka, you get you're considered as an active member. And once na active member ka, automatic meron kang 1% na rebate sa lahat ng purchase mo. So, ito naman yung Unilevel. Meaning to say, yung referral mo, meron ka ring commission. Yes. Example, meron kang 3 na-refer. Yung 3 mong na-refer, users na rin ng product. So, every month, bumibili ng product. Every week, bumibili ng product. Personal consumption, meron kang 1% doon kada bili nila. Okay? Example, di ba? Yung kapitbahay mo, naliligo naman yan, di ba? Ginamit yung awesome natin na soap. O, ang sabon, binibili natin sa tindahan, sa grocery, buwan-buwan. Kumita ka na ba? Hindi. Dito, kita ka. Kape, binili na natin yan kung saan-saan, grocery. Hindi ka rin kumita. Sinabi mo pa, masarap. Pinost mo pa sa Facebook, pero di ka rin kumita. Ito, i-share mo, pag sila mismo, users ng products, kumikita ka. Okay? So, it's applicable sa referral mo. Sample income, grabe to. Tingnan nyo. Sample ng income niya. Per month, yan, 45,000, 41,000, 52,000. Grabe. 57,000. Grabe to, 'di ba? Additional lang to, hindi pa kasama dito yung Just For You, yung Pairing, yung Infinity, Unilevel pa lang to. 'Di ba? Ito wala na siyang ginawa. Bakit? Bumibili lang siya ng products, user lang siya. Tapos yung organization niya, user din. Parang ganito, nanay at tatay kayo, mga anak mo users din, 'di ba? Pero hindi kumikita. Ito dito, kikita ka. We also have incentives. Dito namin nakukuha yung mga libre naming mga sasakyan. This will be explained to you by the person who invited you. Okay? So, it's for everyone. It doesn't matter kung ano yung background mo ngayon. It doesn't matter kung hindi ka nakapagtapos. It doesn't matter kung matagal ka na nagtatrabaho. It's for everyone. I Am Worldwide, ito yung pinangahawakan natin. We share hope. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Okay? So, this is for everyone. No, mag-join ka na agad dun sa nag-share sa'yo ng video na to. Stop mo na yung mga worries mo, yung mga fears mo, yung mga pagdududa mo. Kasi paulit-ulit makikita mo lang na makikita sa newsfeed na ang dami ng taong umaasenso because of this business. And marami ng tao ang natutulungan because of our amazing products. So, mas maganda, ikaw mismo, i-start mo na ngayon. 'Di ba? Dadating yung time, 6 months from now, 1 year from now, ikaw na mismo kumikita ka na din. Just learn the business. Okay? So, yun lang. Thank you for listening. God bless everyone.